Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today is, as the title probably says, another hunt video, or Hot Wheels hunt should I say. Um, at first I'm making this black screen talk, sorry about that, for at the beginning, because I want to explain something. The first part, about the first 7 minutes, are Friday from one store from Teddy, where I was first. And for the Saturday part afterwards, I didn't even think, plan, whatever. The Saturday plan was completely spontaneous. And since this video is coming for you on Sunday and it's now Saturday afternoon when speaking this, I decided, hey, Saturday um, around lunchtime, you go hunting in stores. Why not do it? Why not look around and make the second part for a video? And then I decided, because for the second day, for Saturday, I almost had no footage at all. I decided to put it into one video because making two parts would be absolutely diabolical in my opinion, and would be using my community for views or something like that. I don't know what I thought at the moment, but yeah, for you now, it's Monday to not Monday, sorry. For you, if you're watching this, this is Sunday, and on Friday and Saturday I was hunting Hot Wheels, and now enjoy the video. After 2 minutes of talking shit, of talking so much for this short sentence in essential. Sorry about that. I'm in a little bit of a rush. So yeah. Anyways, enjoy the video. And now let's finally start with the video. As I said, on Friday I went into one store, and this store was Teddy. At least I planned at first to walk only into this one store. The second store was later on the list, but that was more spontaneous than anything. In the Teddy, as you know, see in the video, we had two buckets. This is the first bucket full of Hot Wheels. As you can see, most of the Hot Wheels sadly in a very bad conditions because of bent corners and stuff. The tuned Dodge Charger from Fast and Furious is actually quite nice, but at first I put it into my basket, but later I didn't take it. You will see it later in the video. Really nice car overall, but I'm not a fan of tuned, as I said very often already. But as you may notice, in this box are many main lines of 2024 and 2025. So this says to me these are really old Hot Wheels in this basket, and as you can see, most of these cars are fantasy castings except some things like the Chevy Silverado, which was a super treasure hunt, but sadly not in this bucket anything. Please correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but the purple Passion was a super treasure hunt, or a treasure hunt this year. No? I thought in the A or B case it was a super, no, the A case was the Audi. Was it in the B case or in the C case? Please let me know in the comments. I don't have an idea right now out of which case it is. But yeah, some of these cars were really nice. Some of them I sadly didn't like. I didn't like because they didn't fit my taste into cars and model cars. And yeah, I can't really say anything very much about it, because this first bucket is mostly just footage of me searching through it and not finding pretty much anything at all. Most mainline fantasy castings are not really cool to me, and I don't really collect fantasy castings at all. Here you can see I put back the Dodge Charger tuned and the Lotus Type 49, and now we're already at the second basket. Sorry, I took not enough footage for that moment. But yeah, I discarded them back into the box because both of these the Dodge Charger I have in the non-tuned tuned version, and the what was the Lotus Type 49 I think I have from the 2024 line. I know there's the exact same colorway but with a different number as a recolor recolor out there, but I'm never quite sure which number I have and which I haven't before I buy a couple of them. Yeah, I skip it. In this second bucket there was actually not really much else. I took 3 cars in total home from this store because I don't know why I showed it in this store or not the out of the store, but at home you all know gonna see really soon showcase. This team is really nice, but not for me. And but I know it goes like for absolutely crazy prices. Why I ordered this, I don't understand. Please let me know in the comments why this is. Back to the topic. I took 3 course for €1.50 each, so €4.50 in total. So not for even €5. Probably something around that area with $5 to $6 American and Canadian, I think. Maybe I remember to put it on the screen. But yeah, now we are finally at home. You may see in the background my the latest video, the cars that were showcased in the latest video. And now we are gonna take a look at the cars I bought. First off, we have the standard card from Mario Kart. I'm gonna say it as I would say it in German, Mario Kart. So this is easier to me to say it out, and you probably know the same thing I'm saying, so because it's not different. And now I'm yapping too much, so I'm talking too much. Sorry, but yeah, this model actually surprised me because it feels like it's metal all around, no plastic at all except the tires. But I think some of the paint is making this metallic feel and look, and it's still plastic. I collected this even though is it a fantasy casting since it does exist, even though it exists only in a game, technically. But yeah, I didn't have it, I collected it, and these Mario cars are really nice. I then decided to collect this, is it an 80s El Camino? I think so. I forgot, and I can't read it right now. Yes, 1980 El Camino, and I don't know why I don't show you probably on camera how I opened them, but you can see it at the top right corner. Sorry about that. But yeah, I at first thought it was actually a fantasy casting, but as you may have seen on the backside of the card, it says it's licensed by General Motors, and General Motors is a real thing, so this car must be a real car as well. I hope. It's a nice car, definitely, and I am starting to collect some pickups, so it's really nice to have this one. And the third and final car for Friday is the Master Repu, another pickup. As I said, I'm starting to collect pickups because they are in some way really nice and do put a lot of authenticity to a showcase, I would say. And I don't care if it's Japanese, American, German, African. It can be from Antarctica, and I collected maybe. Sorry, I had to interrupt there. As I said, I would collect pickups and any kind of car, even if it's coming from Antarctica, if I like it. If I like it, I collect it. Simple as that. That's the simplest logic out there for me to collect. I hope it's still understandable. Okay, but this pretty much sums up my Friday. This master is really nice. Only thing that is bothering me, as you can see, what is this line in the front? This looks so ugly. I quite, I don't like it at all personally, but if you put it down like this or to the side, you don't really see it, so it doesn't matter really to me. But hold on, didn't I say I went to a second store? Yes, I did. It was actually a pretty much normal superstore, not superstore, sorry, supermarket. Um, it's called Penny. It's pretty much the same as Walmart and Netto, Aldi, whatever you like it. But I saw there one pack for Hot Wheels. It was luckily empty. But this price, no, 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 no. I'm sorry, but I'm not ready, I guess, to pay double the price of a normal mainline I would have paid in Teddy or any other store just because it, the store decides this price. So yeah, even if there was hanging something, I probably didn't pick it up. So because it's too expensive in my opinion. But yeah, let's go on to Saturday. Ignored it. That's nothing. But yeah, before I start with the showcasing of the cars I bought, Saturday was today, I should say today, sorry. Today was a really lucky day for me. I went to two more stores who had Hot Wheels, to a Kick, a pretty much normal clothing store, with another bucket full of Hot Wheels and one special thing, and to an Audi. The Audi, I can say right now, was disappointing. Zero Hot Wheels, some of them even from 2023 still, but it's a fantasy casting, so not really my type. In the Kick, however, I was really in luck, and I'm probably gonna put now a picture on screen. They had a fresh E case or D case, I was not quite for sure because it said D and E on it, case in the store and was pretty much full, as you may have seen on the photo. I know it's a bit blurry, but yeah, when I took the photo, I already dug a bit through it. Sadly, no treasure hunt, but it was actually my first ever case that I had in my hands. Not I didn't bought it. Yes, I know, but still, it's a case that I had in my hands. I obviously it was standing on the floor before the bucket, but I didn't touch it before I actually asked an employee in the store if I was allowed to touch it. Simply because you don't like it if people like it to have random customers dig through their stuff that they want to sell, you know. Um, and asking doesn't cost anything, and if they say no, it's a no, and easy as that. But no, the employee was really nice. Very much respected them. Um, yes, I'm gonna let it roll through in the background, probably what I have, if not in a second. But yeah, the employee was really nice and said, if you put it into the basket after you're done, you can dig through it, you can take whatever you want for the normal price it's listed. And I was totally happy with it. €1.49 per piece, so even better than the Teddy by 1 cent, so no difference for me personally. I came out with 5 cars. It was like missing 5 to 7 cars, but I don't think someone else stuck through it because not many people know that Kick actually has Hot Wheels. And she said, we were just putting it from the case into the basket. So if you, as I said, if you dug through it and put it into the basket, we are not mad. We are grateful, and I had no problem with it because it was a win-win situation. They have to do less, and I get more cars for myself. No jokes aside, I went out, as I said, with 5 cars, and these 5 cars I'm finally gonna showcase now. And we are starting off with Kit from Knight Rider. Yes, this is the Hot Wheels version with the flames on it. The original kit was black completely, and I know Hot Wheels has a Knight Rider black kit as a Hot Wheels Premium. I know it I can get it from a website at any time, but I didn't decide yet to buy it. Maybe I do in the future, but this one is really nice. On the front and back, not really much details, but I don't care. It's a really nice car. Isn't the kit based on a Pontiac? I don't know the model. Please let me know in the comments, or I show it on screen. If I remember. I hope I do remember. But yeah, really nice car. The underside is really detailed as well. Really nice rims. Really nice. I like it. And it was featured not long ago in George's miniature diecasts video. I think yesterday, or for me when he uploaded it was already today. But yeah, check out this video if you want to see his thoughts on this car. And the next car on the list is the Range Rover Velar. In this, I don't know if it's gold. I would call it gold or gold bronze. No, rose gold, rose gold, whatever you say call it in English. I'm sorry. But yeah, this car was really nice, and I am actually a big fan of this casting. My mom loves Range Rovers, so there was already 2 reasons to collect it, just to show it off to my mom, and my mom really liked it. But yeah, here we have the third of 5 cars, the 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe or Coupe. Um, really, I love Ford Mustangs, especially these older ones. From the Then and Now series, I don't know which. This is probably then. I don't know which is now. Maybe I have it already, maybe don't. I guess we'll see over the next couple of cases. But yeah, I really like it. As you can see, I struggle a bit with opening the package on some of these. The Mustang didn't wanted to come out at all. I don't know what's going on with my voice at all. Please ignore my hiccups, my weird voice. But yeah, when I finally got it out, I was so glad I got it out because, as I said, I love Mustangs, and this one looks so fabulous. Details on the bottom. Yes, no lights in front and back, but still you can imagine it in front and back, which is really nice, which is not given in every casting, we have to say. The back, sexy as hell. No, it's really really nice. I love I cannot say it enough. I love Mustangs. Older Mustangs W. And I think it was a D case because this Datsun Sunny Truck, the regular version, was featured twice in that case, whereas the S Modern DB4 GT was only featured once. All 3 of these cars were not supercharged. I only take took home this one Datsun. The other one I left pretty much right on the top. You can see it. If you want it, you can have it. And the S Modern I did not collect as well. But yeah, chrome base, so really nice. But as you may have seen it, which I saw at that point, why is it so deep in the casting? Is it? I know this makes it look like it sits really really low, which I actually really really like. So actually front details, and on the side back none. Sadly no treasure hunt, but I like this regular version very very much as well. And the super treasure hunt I wouldn't have unboxed, to be honest. And the final car for today is one of the Formula 1 cars, and it's the Williams Racing one, with the Williams Racing F1 car. And it's actually my first Formula 1 Hot Wheels car at all. I didn't find the Red Bull yet, I didn't find the Mercedes yet, and I didn't find the Formula 1 5-pack yet. Yet. The year is still long, I may have some more chances very soon as well. So yeah, I didn't unbox it because I wanted to keep it. And yeah, with this we are also done with Saturday. In audio was nothing, as I said, and in the kick I didn't record because I was too busy digging through this case. So yeah, apologies on that point. But yeah, really really nice hunt in my opinion. Again, I don't think these kick employees watch my videos, but really really much respect to them. Very nice of them for letting a random customer look through the case they want to sell, even though I bought from it, yes. But still, it's my first ever case I unboxed. Not unboxed on this channel. This is maybe coming later. um, not not tomorrow or on Tuesday, I think is the next video for you. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and a sub to the channel. And thank you so much for watching until the end. The raw material of the videos was actually only about 11 and a half or 12 minutes. So, and you can see it, we are probably already at 20 minutes plus. So again, I'm talking so much that I have to stretch my videos with black screens. So apologies. If you enjoyed, thank you for watching until the end. Have a great day and bye bye.